Welcome to Car Vibes, and today we're taking a closer look at a true American classic, the 1986 Chevrolet C10 SWB Pick-Up. This truck comes from an era when Chevrolet was mastering the balance between rugged durability and everyday usability, and the C10 has since become a highly collectible model among enthusiasts. The short wheelbase pickup version in particular is one that blends style with practicality, offering a bold stance, reliable performance, and a timeless design that still turns heads decades later. Starting with the left side of the truck, you immediately notice the clean, boxy body lines that define Chevrolet pickups of the 80s. The short bed design gives a sportier and more compact look compared to the long wheelbase versions, making it more versatile for city driving and tighter spaces. The left profile shows off the squared fenders, bold wheel arches, and a character line that runs smoothly from the front fender to the rear, emphasizing its strong shoulders. The bed is short but wide, practical for light hauling, while keeping proportions balanced and aggressive. Chrome trim often lined the windows and rocker panels, adding just enough shine to give this workhorse a touch of class, whether restored or kept original. The left side view of the C10 SWB has a presence that feels confident and purposeful. On the right side, the details remain consistent but equally appealing. The large doors open wide to reveal the interior, while the squared-off cap complements the sharp edges of the short bed. Many models were equipped with period-correct chrome mirrors and polished wheel designs that added character to the truck. The right side also shows off the lowered stance that some owners prefer today, but even in its original ride height, the truck maintains a balanced and commanding look. The proportions on this side reflect Chevrolet's commitment to designing a truck that can handle work duties during the week and still look stylish pulling into the driveway on weekends. The boxy design was not just about appearance. It represented durability and functionality, which are two qualities the C10 still embodies. Inside, the dashboard of the 1986 Chevrolet C10 is a perfect representation of the trucks of its era, straightforward, practical, and built to last. The layout is wide and rectangular, featuring large analog gauges that are simple to read, including speedometer, fuel, oil pressure, and temperature. The dashboard materials are tough and durable, built with functionality in mind rather than luxury, but many models came with wood grain accents or brushed aluminum trim that added a touch of style. The steering wheel was large and sturdy, giving the driver a sense of control, while the bench seat across the cabin made it possible to carry 3 passengers comfortably. Depending on trim level, you could find additional features such as air conditioning, a basic AM/FM radio, or even cassette players that were considered a premium option back then. Sitting inside the C10 feels like stepping back into a simpler time when trucks were built for reliability and practicality, yet still had enough comfort to be enjoyable for everyday driving. Under the hood, the 1986 Chevrolet C10 came with a variety of engine options, which is one of the reasons it has remained so popular with enthusiasts. The base engines included a 4.3-liter V6 for those who want efficiency, but most buyers opted for the V8 power. The most common choices were the 305 cubic inch small block V8 and the 350 cubic inch V8, both known for their durability and ease of maintenance. Horsepower ranged from around 150 to 210 depending on the setup, which may not sound massive today, but was more than enough for the era and perfectly suited to hauling, towing, or just cruising. The engine bay is straightforward and uncluttered, giving easy access to components, which makes restoration and maintenance simple even today. Many C10s on the road now have been upgraded with performance parts, crate motors, or modern fuel injection systems, proving just how adaptable and versatile these trucks can be. When it comes to price, back in 1986, the Chevrolet C10 was a practical and affordable choice, with new models starting in a range of $8,000 to $10,000 depending on trim and options. It was designed to be accessible to the everyday worker while still providing reliability and value. Today, however, the story is very different. The 1986 C10 SWB has become a hot item in the classic truck market, especially with the growing popularity of restomods and custom builds. Prices vary depending on condition, originality, and modifications. A well-used but running model might start around $10,000, while restored or highly customized examples can easily exceed $30,000 to $50,000. Some high-end build with modern engines, suspension, and interiors have even crossed the $70,000 mark at auctions, showing just how desirable these trucks have become. The 1986 Chevrolet C10 SWB Pick-Up is more than just a vehicle from the past. It's a cultural icon that represents an era of strength, simplicity, and timeless design. Its left and right sides highlight the sharp, boxy styling that remains attractive even today. The dashboard showcases a no-nonsense interior built for function. The V8 engines under the hood provide durability and endless upgrade potential. Its price evolution shows how much appreciation this truck has gained among collectors. For enthusiasts, the C10 isn't just a pickup. It's a blank canvas for creativity, a piece of automotive history, and a reminder when trucks were built tough yet full of character. Thank you for watching Car Vibes. And if you enjoyed this in-depth review of the 1986 Chevrolet C10 SWB Pickup, make sure to subscribe for more classic and modern car reviews. Let me know in the comments what you think about this truck, and whether you prefer it stock or customized. Until next time, keep the passion alive and ride the vibes.